Yeah, one more. In fact, more runs. Shazil Khan was very lazy. Just could not prevent that boundary.
Pitched up, went after it. They are not hanging back. Akram, it was in the slot. Through the line, 4 runs.
Come in play by the end of the tournament. And again, same result. 4. Akram is looking really threatening for Hyderabad. It's a very normal target. And again, 6. Yes, 6 it is. Expensive over from Mustafa. Cuts well enough. Through the gap for 4. This is fabulous. There is no stopping Akram. They were in a very good position, and from there they just messed up in 2 overs. That's strange. Oh, more runs. 6 of them, yes. The edges have carried all the way. Lots of time in this tournament. From Ghulam Ali, maybe this one. He smacks that one all the way for 6. This is some batting, some power hitting. And make it more runs. Akram is on a roll. Another boundary to him. His team has done so well. And again, brilliant all the way. 6. Magnificent. Still no smile. Maybe just a little. He's shying away. Yep, that's a great connection. He moves to 49 of just 12 deliveries. The fastest 50 of this tournament. Yeah, that's a 50. That's the fastest 50 of this tournament. Just 13 deliveries. This is some hitting, some brutal hitting from this youngster from Bawalpur. He's just fired up Gaddafi Stadium with his excellent technique and power hitting. Place, what are we expecting? Oh, it's in the air. Maybe the first wicket. Yes, it is. Shahryar breaks the partnership. Akram, after playing a fantastic knock of 50 of just 14 deliveries, will have to go back.
First loose shot from Akram, and he's out. Shahryar again rolling the fingers. It was way outside off stump. Went to fetch it. Akram and wasn't able to ride that bounce. He's ballooned up in the air. And Shahryar, well, with his change of pace, he has impressed us. And some relief for Hyderabad. No worries there. Again, trying to push it away from Akram. It did skid on and wasn't there to pull. He went for the shot. An easy catch. But a brilliant knock. Well played. 50 for Mohammad Akram. Goes back to Hart. Bahawalpur 1 down on 77.